So got 3 PC fans, 1, 2, 3, but only one system fan, one slot. So what we need to do back here to make all the fans work is to connect them all 3 together, all these 3 together with this adapter into this one. So let me just do this real quick. I'm doing this one-handed. This last one right here. Now all these 3 are connected into one, and then push this through here to the top. Spin this around. Here it is. Don't fall. And now we can connect all 3 working fans into this one slot right here. Boom.